I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear, high-resolution image. Sharper originals give better results. Once imported, make sure autosave is on so you don't lose edits. Open the crop and orientation tools first to set composition. This fixes framing before color changes. You're doing these steps now because adjusting crop later forces recalculation of other edits. Crop early to preserve detail. If the app asks, choose non-destructive edit mode so you can revert changes later without losing the original file. Next, you tackle tone and color because they define mood. Start with exposure and contrast to establish base brightness, then refine with highlights and shadows so you don't clip detail. Small moves matter. Once done, correct white balance with the eyedropper or temp/tint sliders to remove color casts and make skin tones natural. Use curves for precise contrast control when needed, pulling small S-shapes to boost mid-tone punch. Make sure to zoom to 100% to inspect clipping and fine-tune adjustments. Finish by adding selective sharpening and gentle noise reduction. Sharpening enhances perceived detail, while noise reduction smooths grain balance both. Once done, flatten any layers if required and export at original or desired resolution with quality set between 80 and 100% for JPEG, or choose PNG for transparency. If you see halos or artifacts, undo the last step and reduce sharpening strength, or use a mask to target only edges. Finally, make sure to save a copy in the app's project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.